walk the earth? Because I let you. I'm your God now.
I remember seeing the image and I didn't know the story behind it.
Brutality. It's the first thing I thought about. Inhumane brutality.
It's an image that you can't unsee.
I saw it when I was younger. It was just a picture, I didn't know any of the story. But now after researching Peter, and he's become a man in my heart and in my mind, a man who believes so much in God that he was able to endure the unendurable.
They break the bones in my body more times than I can count. But they never break me.
There's a lot of difficult material that is in the movie that happened at that time, and that honesty is hard for people, and I respect that. And at the same time, there's 400 years of this stuff that happened, and it was pretty horrific, and it's important to remember that and to bring it to life at a time when we're still going through a lot of really difficult things.
It was a horrific time in American history, and I think Antoine has masterfully put you back into the heart of what that experience must have been for Peter.
It's going to be an intense thriller. He brings all those expertise of his, action background and whatnot to take you on a ride.
Getting to tell this story with Antoine and this cast of giving that man not only a name, but his story back.
For me, yes, there's pain in the image, but there's a lot of dignity and resilience and strength too.